wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Alright guys, we made it. It was quite the hike here. There was a path that we were on and we thought we got down the wrong way, so we turned around and went back down to the lake. And then we just crossed down to the lake. And we found out that if we would have kept going straight, then we would have been on the right path. But so we made it here. If you look behind me, you'll see there's a ton of people doing ice climbing on these waterfalls, which is super cool. I haven't personally been here in the summertime yet, but I will make a trip out and see what it looks like. So if you are passing Cowan Lake, you want to come stop, just go past it, and then on the left side of the highway there's a little pull-off, and just head down the trail. Come down, check it out, it's super cool. Great way to spend probably an hour and a half. Alright, hope you guys had a great weekend.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation.